The Duchess of Sussex has asked a judge in London to keep the names of best friends secret as she battles a court case with a British newspaper. For more, I'm joined now by Russell Myers, the royal editor of the Mirror in the UK. Russell, always good to chat to you. Why is she trying to do this?
Well, hi, Ali. Well, it centres upon this big court case against the Mail on Sunday, and Meghan is suing them for breach of privacy and copyright over a letter that she wrote to her father. Now, the main point is that that letter, or indeed the knowledge of it, came out in an article with People magazine in America, and 5 of Meghan's friends spoke to the magazine, but Meghan said she didn't know or give permission for them to speak and give that article. Now, she is claiming that their identity shouldn't be made public in a UK court because they have a right to privacy. But it centres upon this one fact that she may have fallen out with one of her former BFFs, which is Jessica Mulroney. And if they are called to give evidence, they may bring her case falling down, which could be catastrophic for Meghan in the UK courts.
Yeah, it could all get a little bit nasty, couldn't it? And we've just heard that 4 in 10 Brits believe Harry and Meghan should be permanently exiled from the royal family. So are people really getting sick of them?
I think so. I think it's getting a little bit tiresome now, isn't it? They've, they sought out their privacy. They wanted to go to Canada to have a bit of a quieter life, and then they've ended up in the paparazzi capital of the world in Hollywood. Now they're making a big stink in the UK courts, and after this new book, Finding Freedom, I think people are getting a bit sick and tired of all their whining. So perhaps they should just go and move back to Canada and have a bit of a quieter life like they said they were going to do in the first place.
Tell you what, you don't miss, do you? It is a complete contrast, though, isn't it, to William and Kate? I feel they've never been so popular.
Well, you're right. I think that, in fairness, they've had a great time of it in the coronavirus front line, the royal family front line. They've been doing all they can to, give respect and their dues to the first responders and all of our health service professionals working so tirelessly throughout the coronavirus crisis. And William was doing a new podcast. He was talking about sort of mental health and what it means to get guys out there to talking about their mental health. And so it couldn't be more different to his brother at the moment. In
fact, I think we've got a little piece that we can play of Prince William saying that. Let's take a listen.
I believe it's the Samrats, which is like your local favourite, Crouchy?
Yeah, it is. That's exactly right, yeah.
Are you serious? We've had the Samrat has delivered to the palace?
Yeah. Well, I think once they got through security.
I think it's the first time that the Samrat's ever delivered to Kensington Palace.
There's an Uber driver out there on the floor at the moment being frisked.
OK, so that's the bit after he talked about mental health. So he's cooked up a curry and he's enjoyed a couple of beers with the blokes.
Well, he's just like us, old Wills, isn't he? He's having a bit of a curry, a bit of a laugh with the lads. But on a serious note, it's the FA Cup final, big footy match at the weekend, and he's talking about with one of the former England players, Peter Crouch. And this is just Wills. He's getting out there talking to the lads, and as I said, he couldn't be more different to his Harry with his legal woes at the moment.
Yeah, maybe Harry should be paying a little closer attention. Russell, always good to chat. Thank you.